Different hat, different day. And I'm in my shed today because I'm doing the science experiment. Because silver linings, what are they? Where do they come from? What do they mean? From a scientific point of view, then you'll be told that it's refraction of light and whatever it is. And, I've got a physics A level. I wish I'd listened harder and revised harder. But then I might have remembered something. I'm going to show you a little experiment. And really the sun is our little bit of happiness, if you like. Because when it's sunny, everybody's happy. And I don't know whether you noticed the same thing that I noticed. Before the lockdown, our skies were permanently blocked. So we've got airplane traffic. It was as if the skies were just constantly grey, white, black, whatever. And we never saw the sun. Lockdown happened, and guess what? Instant blue skies. All that traffic had gone. So all the man-made pollution that was in the air all disappeared, and we had blue skies literally overnight. And the sun was shining. And the sun gives us life, it gives us energy, it gives us vitamin D, it helps with our immune system, but it also makes us happy. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little physics experiment. Okay, it is a bit cack-handed, bear with me, we're in lockdown. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare the sun to happiness. Because when the sun's blocked, we don't feel happy in the same way that we do when we can see the sun. And at the moment, our happiness is being blocked by things that are going on worldwide, with the pandemic and the lockdown and the whatever else. The fear of whatever's going on, and the fear really is the big issue we've got. We need to rise above the fear if we can. So I'm going to compare the sun to happiness. Okay, and I hope this is going to work. What I've got is a light bulb. You can see that. That's the sun, and it's instant happiness. Okay, now that light bulb isn't going to move, and neither is the sun. So in other words, the happiness is always there. Okay, what I'm going to do is, with using this skillfully put together, right, now I've blocked the happiness and the sun out. So now we're not happy. Okay, but what we're going to do, that block is going to move away, and you can probably already see that we're now starting to get a little bit of a silver lining. Okay, all right, if I do it the other way, probably see it a little bit more spectacularly. There's the silver lining coming, and what it's doing is it's reminding us that the happiness is there. It's not moved, it's still there. So at the moment we've got a temporary block which is stopping us seeing that happiness and feeling it, but it's still there. And then as that moves away, so as the blockage moves away, we can then get back to a feeling of instant happiness. So it's a bit of a thrown together science experiment, but what it shows is the happiness has not gone away. It's still there. It never went away. It's always been there. What we need to do is get through this situation that we're in. We need to stay positive. We need to stay on tune. And as that blockage moves itself away, which we're now starting to see in the skies, we're now seeing more silver linings because we now haven't got that constant covering that we've had in the past. So as that moves away, the happiness will start to shine through, and better days will be ahead.